Judicial Commission on the Supreme Court is holding its final public
Yeah.
meeting tomorrow to vote on their report that will go to the president. What are your plans for how the president will and the White House staff will process that information and then respond to it? That came from an executive order with a 180-day timeline. So will there be a shorter timeline for an evaluation of this? I think that you're seeing, just since the oral arguments last week on abortion, a lot of concern among a lot of people on the Democratic side about the court, and how are you going to kind of respond and move forward on those issues?
Well, so as you noted, later this afternoon it will be posted, and then there'll be a meeting, and they will tomorrow, I believe, and that will be the next step in the process. The president will then get the report and will have time to review the report, but I don't have a timeline for how long it will take him to review the report. I would remind you all, it's not a recommendations that he either accepts or denies. He asked this diverse group of experts from a range, from across the political spectrum, from across the viewpoint spectrum, to look at and assess a range of issues that have long been discussed and debated by court experts, whether it is how cases are taken up, or the length of individual justices serving, or court expansion, and to assess and provide a review of that, not to make, again, here are the 5 recommendations, accept them or deny them. So that's the next step. It will be posted. You all will see it. And then in terms of when, how, and when the president will review it and what that means, I will give him the space to do that.
Okay, but there's no kind of plan at this point of how you will respond to that.
Well, he'll have to review it first, and I don't think we're going to set a timeline for what that looks like and what it will mean after that. Go ahead.